Hello everyone, welcome back. This is just a short tip for everybody that may not know how Davinci is set up to use coordinates. I made a little drawing here with some mask. These numbers here are the center of each one of these. 0.25, 0.75 is the center of the top left. 0.75, 0.75, center of the top right. 0.25 and 0.25, obviously, center of the bottom left. And 0.75 and 0.25, bottom right. Now in the corners, the very far bottom left corner, is the center. X and Y is 0 on both of them. Now we go up to the top left. 0.0 by 1.0, the very top left corner. Now we go to the top right corner. It's 1.0 by 1.0. Now we go to the bottom left, bottom right. It's 1.0 by 0.0. I think this might help a lot of beginners out when they're trying to figure out the mathematical equations for positioning and whatnot in their columns. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.